Yo, 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 what is up, my dudes? We are looking at some Bitcoin today. Hope everyone's doing well. Alright, so, super sadly, our chart from last night did not save. We can whip it up again. It was a really pretty chart too. I was proud of it. But oh well. Let's find that chart. And get some music on too. Yo, what is up? No. Okay. What are we trying to listen to? Let's YouTube. I'm just gonna get copyrighted right off the bat. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. I need to turn the noise gate on too. On the microphone. I have a lot of shit to do. And we gotta make a chart. Just gotta play the volume like really quietly. Over there. Over here. 4-hour chart. This descending triangle, right? We were looking for volume to kind of chill out on our descending triangle. Where's that volume? It's not even showing up. We can't see volume? What the fuck? Volume not showing up. Trading view. Search volume from built-in indicators. Built-in volume. Okay. Okay. Right to front. Okay. Right. And none of my charts have volume. Oh, this one has volume. Fuck. Not trying to draw all over this chart though. XBT. Litecoin. Try it out. volume. Okay. Let's just assume it's on Trading View's side. It's not me, not my chart. My charts are great. Alright, so we had a... That's fucking... Dude, they so need a desktop app. This is a descending triangle. Downward 65% of the time. Looking for preceding volume before breakout. What is spelling? And then I thought we had a descending triangle. A descending, no, I thought we had a descending broadening wedge inside of our descending triangle yesterday. But I saw later that I think it was 3 falling peaks instead. 3 falling peaks. And that really explains this big move down. If we throw it on that side, get some fucking... That's not it. Bam. Let me scroll over. Just a hair. Alright. 3 falling peaks. Was upward leading to the pattern, then downward. So we'll label it like them. The 1. Can't see shit. Nope, the 2. Fucking 2. Then our lowest valley was here. It just fell off. It was a it was a pretty simple trade actually. Look back at it. Look back at it. Fuck, casual. Casual. That's insane. Huge drops. Measure rule. .33 of the highest peaked. lowest valley. Okay. Nice peak, lowest valley. 15%. Okay, 16%. So that'd be 5 and a third. Fuck. 5 and a third. Which is right. Oh my god. Yo, everyone knows these patterns of me, and I'm learning them like now. So, and you guys are learning them with me. It's fantastic. Oh. Oh, dude, we hit. Bounced right there. I don't know how to. 5.3% TP from lowest valley. Three. Yeah. Okay. Okay, alright. The valley's short. First valley. Wait, A. Pick 1 and 2. Which one's my third peak? Dude, I need a 6-hour chart for sure. Totally need the 6. Yeah, that's a peak. That's a peak. That's a peak. I wonder if people thought that was the third. One, two, three. In which case, dude, we're getting some three falling peakception going on. Okay, so that's just saying don't use the valley as a confirmation. Let the confirmation be brought up. That's like us. I don't think that's a valley necessarily. It's like before the trade. Well, it's significant for sure. That's not what I wanted. U-shaped volume. Volume is higher at the ends. Okay, that would be awesome if our charts had volume. Didn't really see any Adam and Eves in here. Look at here. Still a pretty good trade though. Look at this. Fucking easy. Profit target 4%. Would almost hit it. Would take that. I'd take that trade for sure. Just falls. Just falls. And so, I don't know how to like label this. So this should be 1A, 2A, 3A. And then 1A is also 2B. 3A is also 2B. Wow, I'm super tired. It should be 2A. This one. Straw. So, alright. So highest peak, lowest valley, 900 bucks, 33%, 300 bucks. Whatever the lowest valley was. Which would have been about right here.
Let's suppose that
7.
you were able every
Wow.
night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. And you would naturally, as you began on this adventure of dreams, you would fulfill all your wishes.
Bam.
You would have
Oh, these charts are so pretty,
every
dude.
kind of pleasure.
So pretty. Look at these charts. Look at these
And
damn
after
charts.
several nights, you would say,
Oh,
well,
okay.
pretty
So
good.
we have
But now let's have a surprise.
1A
Let's have a dream that you
price move
something's
confirmation.
going to happen to me that I don't know what it's going to be.
It's this
Then
little
you would
dude
get
right here.
more and more adventurous.
This
And you would
needs to
make
be
further
smaller.
and further out gambles as to what you would dream. And
That
finally, you would dream.
is what she said. Yeah. It's sad. Okay. 1A price confirmation. Okay. And then we have a 1A price. Target price. 1A target price. Bam. Dude. It's just 3 falling peakception. Oh. Live BTC analysis. Falling peak. Peakception.
If you awaken from this illusion, and you understand that black implies white, self implies other, life
Got
implies
a
death,
nice new title going on.
you can feel yourself not as a stranger in the world, not as something here on
Asama homies?
not as something
Shout out
that
all
has
you fans
arrived
in the
here by
chat.
but you can begin to feel your own existence
Alright.
as absolutely fundamental.
So
What you are basically, deep, deep down, far, far in, is simply the fabric and structure of existence itself.
this one is our this is V1A. Huh. Okay. 1B. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. An A. Okay. I'll take that profit. I want 1 and 2, not A or B. Oh my god. Oh my god. to take profit. Bam. This should be price move confirmation. Don't want to move that. God, these text boxes are huge. You can't even shrink them down. What are you doing, TradingView? That's so big. Okay, cool. Wow. Now we gotta figure out what's going on. What is going on with Bitcoin? Take profit should be actually a little lower. There it is. Damn. Let's zoom out a little bit. You see like a dirty head and shoulders, maybe. Actually. It'd probably be like, but that would take us to like wicked low. It should be or something. How much is that? Okay. Yeah. Maybe. I wish there was like a way to categorize all of the. Oh, fucking late. Oh, just zoom out a little bit. Did nothing. 3 rising valleys here. 1, 2, 3. Three rising valleys chart pattern. Yo, what's up, my dude Jason? Yo, I'm gonna get to sleep pretty soon. I gotta learn all these patterns, man. Yo, 3 rising valleys chart pattern. Yo, why are you not sleeping right now, Jason? What are you doing? 1, 2, and 3 mark outline of chart pattern. Volume 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 4 would be up here. This is like what started this, I feel like. Put our price confirmation here. 1, 2, 3. Take the height from peak 4 and valley 1. Peak 4, valley 1. Yo, what is up, my dude Mars? Yo, we are trying to identify and learn chart patterns on the Bitcoin chart. Right now, we're looking at a possible 3 rising valleys that kind of got us into this little run-up we've had. What could be the most recent low? Well, yeah, for a while. We'll see what happens. But trying to see if this here, I gotta show you guys better, matches this here. With this being 1. Tiny, Control C. Oh, they stay tiny, dude. Actually, this would be 1, 2, and then 3 right here. Yo, dude, there is the potential to make lots of money if you can trade properly. A lot of self-control, and a lot of just playing the odds. But it's all up to you. It's a very like you can't blame anyone else when your trade goes wrong. But dude, so this here would be our confirmation line. This yellow line here. Ignore the blue for this example. And then our price target. Take the highest high. And lowest low. Multiply it by 58. So 580. Oh my god. So take profit. Dude, what is this? That's such a solid. Oh, yeah, the dude who wrote this book, yo, Alex the goat, being all goat-like and stuff. Thanks for coming back, man. Good morning, good night, wherever. It's probably morning. It's mostly morning. We got a fat take profit here. Dude. So you have to like, I gotta get this where you guys can see it. Maybe it'd be better to swap them like this. Like this. Yeah. So ignore the blue for now. Okay. Just looking at this. So fucking this one. Wow, mirrors are weird. This one compared to that one. Dude, when you're sleeping, you can't watch what Bitcoin's doing. And I always need to know what Bitcoin's doing. No. I'm gonna sleep sometime soon. There's just too much to do, man. Too much to learn. Too much to look up. I don't have time. There's no time to sleep here. I'm so late. Alright. I think this looks like really similar to this. It's like such a good example. Look at this. Such a good example. What is this called? 3 Rising Valleys. This can be big. Gotta make it big. Damn. Dude. 3 Rising Valleys. Also accompanied by one, two, three. I don't know. I don't know if this is also like. Would you guys consider 1, 2, 3? I don't know if that's a valley. Maybe that's a valley. Ooh. No. Because then the pattern would be huge. Dude, that's too much valleyception. This is insane though. That's like exactly what it did. Three falling peaks is the complement to 3 rising valleys. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Dude, I wonder if that has to do with like how. So you've got like smart money that buys in wicked early. And I wonder if that sort of coincides with like the 3 different stages of buying and like 3 days or yeah, I guess people taking profits at different areas or different major areas. That is wild. That's wild. And he already did this. He already ran the numbers on this. Polskowski, dude. Fucking much love to Polskowski. So we kind of know what Bitcoin did, sorta. We 3 rising valleys. Label this really nicely. 2, 3 falling peaks. Control S. Save. You better save this trading view. It didn't save my chart from last night, and I was really proud of it. The lines were so crisp and it so clearly illustrated the point. It was, and like apparently TradingView didn't think so. What an asshole. Yo, fam, we gotta get some water. So like, this is like, it's a ghetto night hydration bot. Have you guys seen it? It's like average needed water intake. Okay, yeah. It's like a ghetto night bot. Yeah, I'm gonna get a water though. I'll be right. I mean, I'm taking you with me. The headset, but like, you gotta read that ish. Drink that water. Stay hydrated. Your brain needs it. A little ASMR stream going on. Alright. No, so this is basically a chart of Bitcoin. It's a Bitcoin derivative, but it's basically Bitcoin. Or it's basically Bitcoin. But these chart patterns are like, Bitcoin's new, and these chart patterns are relatively old. I feel like maybe not that old. 10. I don't know when that book came out. But like 20 years. And yeah, dude, so these charts are like normally happening on a much larger time frame. But I think Bitcoin really, things happen a lot faster. Dude, I am pretty bad at Fortnite, if we're being completely honest. Yo, how many wins you have, Alex? You probably like 1,000 wins. Fortnite, oh dude, it's wild. Dude, I have one Realm Royale win. That was like too intense. That was enough. That was all I needed. It was with the Hunter class. Dude, it was awesome. Dude, I wanna like take a picture of this or something. So we have a possible head and possible head and shoulders for me. Dude, congrats, man, that's awesome. First to win. Yo, I don't know. I've never gotten on the cart. Always die before I get. drop tilted, you know, and just gun it out. But I always end up dying. I don't play a ton of Fortnite. It's not my game. Overwatch, maybe a little bit, but dude, I'd like to be like, I don't know. I'm trying to get good at the Bitcoin game for now. So I wonder if this, like, I don't know. I wonder if this shoulder right here could test support or could test resistance. I don't think it would. I think that would break the pattern. But who knows? Maybe it'll form like a triangle of sorts. Yo, dude, but Alex, congrats on the win. Fucking, that's dope, dude. I don't want to just get all like, start drawing lines on because it looks good. It's kind of fun to like play with the line, see if you can get any interesting channels to come up. Maybe. Something. I feel like we're close to finding one. It's like a little, it's like a hunt. Oh yeah, we should be looking for lines that end up around this area here, because we want to identify possible resistance. Just gotta tilt your head. Just the time frame. Get rid of all that stuff. So which trading view is better? Damn. So on the day chart, our 3 falling peaks is just like a straight line. That's wild. try not to look at the look at the week too much. I've been like taking naps at night, and it's been messing up my sleep schedule more and more, and throwing off like my whole perception of time. It's just scuffed. Definitely. Dude, I bet there'd be like a good channel that goes down somewhere in here. Let's make some lists. So, possible future scenarios. We gotta spell scenarios, my dude. That doesn't. Scenarios. Fuck. SC. Sin. Dude. Yo. Dude, you got me, Alex. I appreciate it. Thank you. I was like, I was really close. Okay. So we have left shoulder and head formed on 4 hour / 1 day timeline. Okay, now we can get this giant blue thing out of the way. Dude, so this, oh god, okay. I cannot do this on the same chart as everything else. Alright, I'm gonna save that. Don't want this to be purple. Okay. XBT on the D. Oh my god. On the D. No. Wow. Wow, it's not me, right? It's not me. That's alright. Hide Bollinger Bands. Hide the other stuff. Collect dark. Cool. Everyone is good now. See, I thought it was like a descending broadening wedge at first. But no, I don't think that held up. I think we had it with the 3 falling peaks. Great call. That was a really good call. It was just like, I don't know, 6 hours late. But I'm looking out for it in the future. Lesson learned. And we gotta draw on this chart too. Fuck, dude. Okay. are working through it. Working through it. Don't want this on here. It's not what I wanted. More this in here. Okay. So it's just here. Right. Okay, alright. Bring this over. Possible scenarios. That's not what I wanted. I don't. Oh, it's not working. Bam. Okay. Now we have what Bitcoin did and what it might do. Free falling peak perception. Dude, making eggs? Ooh. Scrambled or an omelet? Dude, so I think it depends on what's going in the omelet. Yeah, well. No, dude, you gotta go omelet. You gotta go omelet. Dude. It's the superior way. Because it's. Yeah. It's I think it's a better texture. better mouthfeel. A little bit of like sausage in there. Oh, maybe a little spinach. You could probably have cheese, tomatoes. Ooh, dude, tomatoes would be really good. Maybe some onion, salt, pepper, of course. Yo, my friend, I'm allergic to cheese, so you gotta like eat a slice for me in remembrance. I guess I could never eat it, so it's not really remembering. You know what I mean? It's only cheesy jokes for me. That like in you get it. You get it. Dude, I gotta focus more on these charts. Fucking not my comedy career. Which I actually have some jokes. I'm like, maybe one night I'll test them out. I don't know if I can. I don't know if this is the place to test them out, but maybe I'll definitely run them by like you before I fucking take them on a stage of sorts. Oh, dude. Went to an open mic. I mean, you know, I went to an open mic night yesterday. And I don't know. It looked like so much fun, but it also looked like it could suck. So. Alright. Possible 1. Not in any order. Enter. Enter. Formatting. Oh, yeah. Look at how pretty this looks, dude. Someone could, like, clip this. Alright. Possible Head and Shoulders. 4 hour. Adam double top. We can go see what Volkowski has to say regarding 3 Rising Valleys. Visual chart pattern index to hunt for other chart patterns. Oh. Okay, this is what we needed. So, alright. Maybe it's a cat ear. He said it was Adam, but let's see what that is. Double top, downward price trend. More likely to reach. Oh, it is. Wow. What's the measure move on it? confirmation here, yes? I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe now. Yeah, he's talking about here. Oh, there's a, I don't know, maybe. Maybe it isn't like an atom of sorts. Wow, I missed this line. Okay. Let's find what this is. Hmm. Yo, what is up? Oh, NASA fee? Right? Maybe? I tried? I really tried. Mm. Good morning. How you doing today? Al, you out there? Don't leave me hanging, Al. Or NASA? NASA could work too. I'll NASA fee? I'll NASA-fy, maybe? I think maybe we're at the bottom of this. Our 3 following peakception. I don't know what that could work into though. It's like we did it. We had to take profit. It's over. The move is over with. I don't know. Going to circle possible key points. I'm gonna draw the lines like they have. We have an up, and then we have a down. It is semi-rounded. What Adam Eve right here, right? Did you guys count that? To just drop right here. Guaranteed 5% to start this off. Wait, is this what happened? Is this was it an Adam Eve reversal into 3 following peakception into a larger head and shoulder on the daily? Yo, CX, CXL. Dude, I don't know how to say it, but yo, I appreciate the sub, my dude. That's awesome. How are you doing this morning? Good morning, by the way. We're not doing greetings in the right order. It's like way too early for that. Dude, we're trying to put the story of Bitcoin together. James, my dude, what is up? Good morning to you, dude. Good to talk to you, man. Yeah, we're trying to figure out what happened and then what could happen. I don't know, dude. This is like, I'm just so proud of this chart here. Look at this. So I'm gonna write out the story of what happened. Let's move here. Get rid of that ad. Alright, so we had a, oh my god, we had a new text box. Okay. We had a 3 Rising Valley. Pattern into this blue atom to blue atom and Eve reversal into two, 3 falling peaksception into maybe a head and shoulder pattern on the daily chart. Bam. We can't, wow, we can't read that at all. There needs to be like a better way to space text, right? Like here. Oh. This. No. Bam. Got it. Okay. Bam. Yo, we did it. It's over there. It's over. I can't tell if I'm pointing the right way. No, it's over there. It's def over there. But gotta draw this blue. Look, there's like a mini Adam and Eve inside of the bigger Adam and Eve too. Here. What a perfect Adam and Eve, dude. Right into the 3 falling peakception. Bam, dude, oh, dude. James, it's always a great time to learn. Dude, Bitcoin could be here to stay. At least the concept could be here to stay. It doesn't hurt to learn a little extra. But it's like, so, but it's not, it's not a crazy concept either. It's all about how it's framed. And so, it's like, it's nothing crazy. It's just not inherently taught by school or parents. So, dude, is CXL here? Purchase. Shut him out, but yeah, looks like a piece. Oh, James, what games are you playing? If you're playing any, what have you been doing? How you been? Dude, I graduated the old college. You know, trying to trade some coins for a little bit. See how it goes. Make some charts. Dude, so I saw something about double tops, even eve. Okay. I wonder if this could end up being a double eve. And you'd be drawing on this one. No, did not want to do that. Okay. Get rid of this stuff. Wonder if that could be yeah, I think it's an eve. I don't think it's an atom. Like another atom, maybe? And then we have like there's our 5-2 right there. There's our 4-2 right there. Oh. Dude. Alright, Rocket League still. For honor. Grand Theft Auto. Dude. School's tough sometimes. For like a lot of reasons. Alma was on par, Alex. I'm glad, man. We looks like mountains. Dude, oh, congrats on getting, oh, dude, I appreciate it, Jace. Thanks, dude. It's fucking awesome. And like, I appreciate it. Yeah, it was a journey, I guess, right? But it's over. It was super bittersweet ending. It's like the time, it just flew by. Dude, yo, James, my dude, I appreciate you stopping by the stream. I hope you have a good day at school, man. And yeah, I hope to talk to you later. Thanks for coming by. Good morning, by the way. I'm gonna put on some of these essential oils. Yeah, I gotta make sure you guys can see them. Essential oils, check it. Oil for focus. I gotta focus. Dude, but dude, James, good to talk to you again, man. Fucking, it's good to be back. Good to be back on the stream, playing some games. I actually played a little bit of Rocket League today, which is hilarious with another old friend. So, dude, maybe we'll see some Rocket League on stream sometime when I'm not looking at charts. I'm like not nearly. I don't know. I'm definitely rusty. Maybe I could get back into it though. Dude, Alex, 1 year out of school, man. Oh, it's like, it feels so big. Like, I was just a student and I was so comfortable just being a student. And it's like, no, I can't be a student anymore. And it's like, I sort of liked being a student. I mean, I do like learning things, so I'm gonna try to keep learning things, for sure. But, dude, I kind of miss the, like, social environment, I guess. The social environment. The socialness of it. Going to class was fun. It was fun. It was fun. It was. Oh, dude, I can't reminisce too hard, dude. Oh, no. I gotta check out these even E double tops. Put this up so you guys can see it. Yo, so like, Alex, how have you been handling it? Have you like gotten really into any hobbies or something since school went out? Because I've been wanting to get into like playing pool, like billiards or like 8-ball, and I think that'd be fun to be able to like hang out at a pool hall and like hold your own and be like a regular somewhere cool, like a pool hall. Oh, dude, I feel like everyone has their own little like something like that. Bowling is like almost there, but I think playing pool is like a little cooler than bowling. I mean, no, I'm not trying to hate on any bowlers out there. I just think pool's better in every way, shape, and form. Yeah, come fucking at me. But people like different things. Ooh, overall performance. I don't know if I consider. So do you consider? Yo, James, my dude. Again, great to talk to you. Thanks for coming back and watching the stream, man. I missed you, my dude. And have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Dude. That's wild. It's like, it's a throwback. Such a throwback. Dude. So I had a, at my apartment that I had for school, there was one in like our game room area, and I went like a few times over the course of 2 weeks, for like a few times a week, for like 3 to 5 times in total. And over those semi-consistent 3 to 5 times, I like really felt myself improving. And dude, I think just doing it. It's so hard though. So I'd want to do so much other stuff. It's hard to get around to it. It's hard to start. And then like I'd get so like nervous that people would watch. I don't know. They'd be like watching me fail at pool, in the game room. I was just like practicing by myself too, but I don't know. I did get some good practice in though. I looked up some like drills I could play. I guess drills I could run. Dude, yeah, just fucking do it. Just look up videos on how to get crazy good at it. I guess I did one of them though. It wasn't convenient. Dude, I can't go this deep into myself. It's like too early for that. Why did I not do something I thought I wanted to do? Fuck. Yeah, let's just not touch that. Dude, I liked it. And like, it's like the geometry combined with the mechanical aspect of like, of hitting a target and using a tool. Also putting a little chalk on the end of this, dude. It gets that ASMR tingle on the back of the neck. Oh, I'm getting it now, just thinking it like that. Oof. I used to have a cube of chalk somewhere, because the game room they didn't have chalk there, so I had to go get my own cube. It was a hassle. That first practice session was rough without the chalk. It was a slippery slope because of the chalk on the. You get it. You get it. You get it. So 2 months in between the pattern. How about 20 days? That doesn't really go with our weekly chart of mine that I have for Bitcoin actually, which I'll show you guys. Alright. Weekly chart, here we go. Hide all of this stuff. Alright, weekly chart for Bitcoin. Hide this. Look at the old indicators. So supposedly in a selling period for our Bitcoin. Not trending yet. Last sell period. Zoom in a little bit. Last sell period. Here. That's 38%. Okay. The sell period. Okay. I don't know. So I guess it means there might be some more room to go down. This drop is huge. Yeah, look at that. 68%. It's wild. don't know, I could see a drop to like a 30% drop. Which puts us right at 5.2. I don't think we'll get there. I think, I don't know. I don't know how to think about it. So we had the biggest peak. Then we had the biggest drop. And then we had a 40%. 35%. Okay. So the drops down are getting smaller, I guess. Which I wonder if these 30, 36, 9, 29. I don't know. So as it's scaling up, a portion of the buys are like a real portion are leverage investors, and then alts. Let's check the daily. And our daily is like looking like it wants to throw like a buy, a period of buying in there on lots of indicators. I don't know if this trend indicates like it's so hard to read this trend on the daily, you know? I think I need different time intervals, and I liked to use different like fib level or fib numbers. These things, you know what I'm talking about, Alex? Fib numbers, dude. Love some fib numbers. That's a good pick. Okay, let's do some reading. Yeah. Alex, I gotta go get something out of the oven, if you know what I mean. I'll be right back. But no worries, I'll still be here. Just BRB. Sorta. some good cookies. Good cookies. Go back to these little fib numbers. Dude. Do you think they have a like significance, Alex, in trading? I try to use them as like well, I don't know. I want to hear, or I want to see what you say before I like say more. I don't want to lead your answer at all, in any way. Fibonacci Prime? Ooh. Ooh. Jump scared right there by an automatic cat feeder. Ooh. Jump scared hard. I like 233. But allegedly. Go back to this. Yeah, I need something in between the 4 hour and the 1 day. Need to just get Trading View Pro. Used to have it, dude. I used to have the expensive one. Oh, dude. Gotta get Trading View Pro. Well, yeah, let's see if this is a two distinct tops. Okay, yeah, so my issue with this being two even double tops is that our weekly I don't know actually. Our weekly, where's this one? Our daily is ready for a bounce. What if it is an even double top? That's not, oh my god. So much shit on the chart. Holy. So it's 30%. I don't know, maybe we would range for a day or two. But oh, you guys can't see shit right now. You gotta yell at me. Okay. Yeah, so here's the indicator on the daily chart. It's like so ready for something spicy to happen. Like it's been faked out, just like here. It's got faked out there. an uptrend too. Just weird. It's like you can't. Oh, it's too lagging of an indicator. I need a trending indicator for sure. But the weekly, I think. Could maybe. Oh my god. I can't draw on charts. Okay. The weekly. Trying to make this bigger. So I think this would turn back up. This is looking like a damn. Maybe. But that's like three. That means possibly a bull run for the next like 2 weeks, making this like a weekly swing bottom, and then we arrive back at this same price on our way to 4K in like a month. Dude, I bet the ETF gets delayed another month, and it's like, and we get an even Eve double top. So like, oof. Okay, we gotta write it down. Okay, 2 Eve and Eve double top on daily. ETF delayed another month. Let's see some bulls for a couple weeks. Fuck. Oh, I gotta save everything too. Go back to the daily. Come on. You can't really see the things like falling peaks or valleys, rising valleys on the daily. You need like a 16-hour chart. Maybe a 13-hour chart. Is that the right way to like look at time even? You know? Like why are we using minutes? Or minutes worldly, like worldly in some way. 60, maybe. Are minutes Mayan? I don't know. Probably not. Dude, imagine like, so if number 2 were to happen, where's my, here. If number 2 were to happen, we would have like a week and a half of just huge green candles. Dude. Yeah, it is some it is some YouTube playlist. I'm gonna get copyright flagged so hard. Oh my god, feeling. Want me to link it? If you want it. Yeah, the past 30 minutes have been this playlist. It's been on autoplay. I like to pick the first song and see where it takes me. But you not feeling it? Just like, dude, she's like really staring at me. Look at this. Look at how much she's staring. I don't even want to fucking look at her, dude. She's like, her piercing fucking blue eyes. What an asshole. What an asshole. Get out of here. Oh. Yeah, dude, I can't. I had to stop her. And we gotta find something else. Dude, really? Rip Avicii. So, like, I listened to his song Silhouettes, like there was a phase where it was my shower song. Dude, this white light is like totally just blowing my skin out. Whole, I'm like, so I need a gray. Do you spell gray with an A or an E? With an E. Because I'm not an animal. That's kind of a little gray. Dude, such a good song. But it was, so it was like, I, part of that phase was like, um, me showering on vacation at my grandparents' house. And it was like, the shower setup wasn't normal, and so I didn't know like where to put my phone so it wouldn't get wet. And I had to like wrap that ish in like a wash rag and a hand towel, you know, and then take it into the shower with me. And because the phone was like in the shower and it's normally outside, the like crazy reverb made the song sound like wild. And now it's like it's a trigger, and I'm just like, oh wow. I go back to showering at like my grandparents. Dude, it's such a happy memory. It's like, oh, and it was, yeah. I was so sad when I heard it, and it was like my first thought was like, rip. And my second thought was like, Silhouettes was a banger. Dude, I had to. You gotta listen to music somehow. And it was one of the ones with like a shower door of sorts. And I normally had like a curtain, you know? So new environment. You gotta improvise a little bit. No, it was fun though. Yeah, let's find some like more outrageous things that could happen. and then take them seriously on the chart, just in case. So I guess if we wanted to, we could consider this to be an atom instead of, I don't know, instead of an Eve, which would make like, I think it'd give this a little more credibility, maybe? So just like number 2, but Adam and Eve reversal. Which would mean we would only have to come up to like here. And it means our profit target would be I don't know. We get to check, dude. I don't know where. Oh, okay. A percentage meeting price target. Height from the highest peak to the lowest valley. Highest peak. Fuck. A $2,300 brace move. Multiply it by the percentage meeting price target. 2,300 times 73. It's like 1,700 something. 1,700 minus A. That's not right. Oh, 1,700 minus 2,300, 600. Oh, what a handy little formula, dude. That's awesome. So we're looking for like $600. 5,450 TP. Damn. Dude, even Eves. Really gotta look out for more even Eves. Dude, I think I really need to know every pattern, like, in this book. I want the visual index. Alright, we charted it. Now we need to get the stuff off to try and... Ooh. Okay, just had an idea. 2, 3, 4, 1. Counting was not my idea. Uh, my idea is that the gigantic descending triangle we're in breaks. Gigantic. Breaks some way. Then we can find a descending triangle. Look for decreased volume on breakout. On breakout move break. Learned that yesterday. Reinforcing it today. Storing it for tomorrow. That was like, I don't know, I'm sorry. That's bad. Descending triangle. Pretty good. On the daily. I need to put the time frame to D. Dash D. Okay. Cool. Can you guys see this? Make sure everyone can see everything. We can't see shit. That's okay. No, if I move this up here and then move this down. Problem solving. We're getting it. Okay. Quite low, not decreased. Quite low. I think that's important. %64% of the time downward. That's probably good to know too. I Dude, there's no music? No music? Guys gotta, yeah, let me know. Get some tunes going. Dude. Do I? Yo. Alex. So, I was a, I did get a little into Ice Poseidon. He's pretty funny. I, uh, I played old school RuneScape, like, when it was new RuneScape. And fucking, he was, I don't know. I watched his old, like, door closing videos, and it was just such a throwback. Such a throwback. And, but I don't know, I feel like you can't really do that now. It's a different game, different time. It's just not the same. But yeah, dude, Ice Poseidon's, he's fucking awesome. Dude, I think live streaming, like, life would be fun sometimes. I don't know. Maybe one day. For now, we got some hella spicy charts going on. Triangle apex to predict a trend change? Hmm. Hmm. Immediately tries to apply it to a chart. Yeah, that's like really far off, Volkowski. I don't know if I believe this. $3 months? Yeah, dude, there's no way. No way I can think that far. Yo, Alex, dude, are you into Ice Poseidon, my dude? Like, you gotta respect, like, what he's done with the whole network and everything. For sure. Dude, when did you start watching him? And also, did you play old school RuneScape? Because that's huge. I don't think this is. That's good to. That's kind of a cool piece of possible information about the triangle apex. It's something easy to look out for. Maybe it's a three falling peaks. Dude, the good old three falling peaks. It's crazy how many people donate to him. Yeah, dude, I don't know. I don't think it's too crazy. You know, he's a cool guy. They're doing it to like ask a, or sometimes they're doing it to like ask a question or get his attention in some way. So I see the value in the donation from the like donator side as well. But he's definitely providing entertainment like and a story and everything. So not a story and like he's making it up, but like a narrative, I guess, is a better word for it. His narrative. Because it seems very unique and he seems cool. I don't want to shit on Ice Poseidon. He seems awesome. Yeah, so maybe this is a three falling peaks. Like, let's explore that for a minute. Oh, fuck, dude. Fuck. What a yawn. I'm gonna start crying now. Gonna casually cry on stream. Mm. Alright. Upward leading into the pattern. I don't know. I wonder how. XBT trading. Yeah. Skip. Dude, we have to use the. Have to use another chart. Okay. So maybe. I'm looking for a 3-day. I don't think that's what I want. XBT 3-day chart. I feel that. I feel that, Alex. For sure. For sure. Different. Yeah, I totally see what you mean. I think it's like, I don't know. I'm looking at that through the lens of like a chart and like a price and like a service in a sense. So I'm like charting it out like Bitcoin, and it's like, no, you don't need to think about it like that. It's just fucking something people do. But it's like it takes people like you at the beginning, Alex, so that someone can like get to that level. Because if you didn't have the first adopters like you, it would he'd never get to the point where people want his him to like answer a question so much that they donate for that. So it's like you're just part of the earlier cycle. But dude, you're totally valid and like in some ways more important. And yeah, chicken, I don't know. It's not a chicken or an egg thing because it wouldn't work out if we didn't have the first builders. Dude, what a goat move. What a goat move. Paving the way. The first move advantage. I'm trying to find where this could. Maybe I can bitmax it. Testnet. I just want the testnet. Yeah. Give me that chart. Okay. Give me that chart. Awesome. Yeah, we're hijacking their chart. I want the 3-day. What is this wick? Look at this wick. Look at how bugged these wicks are. Someone bought like $1 million Bitcoin. That's ridiculous. Come on, TradingView. And BitMEX, gotta get your shit together. Alright. So what if I'm thinking what if these right here are 3 falling peaks? We just can't get a really good time frame to get them all in. Because this actually tops out like right there. It's just so bugged. 1, 2, 3. Don't. I wonder if you can have the. So this would be 1, 2, 3. If the first valley here is below the second, Use the second valley, not the lowest. Okay. I don't know if this is a real price or not. Do we drop to 522 on 615? No, we did not. I wonder how off this chart is. It's like off the charts. I wonder how charts this off is. That's not right. I don't know if that constitutes. Okay. So yeah, what if we had another 3 falling peaks going on? And our... Dude, this cannot be right. Our lowest price was 62 on the first valley. Wow. I so need TradingView Pro. Oh my god. This is so like, oh. Yeah, very soon. Very soon, in due time. And then I'm having to look at like this BitMEX chart, which is right, but it's like an active account. I'm not trying to trade everything necessary. So this is lower at like 5.7 right here. 11.4. All right. So the measure, the highest peak, lowest valley, FMS, $5,800. Percentage meeting price target, 33. Is that like, I don't know. Dude, it's way too late. 1900? 1930? 1966? What is this? 50 divided by 33. Okay. Gonna do it the right way now. Okay. Can almost get math head right in head. Cannot work calculator. Fuck, dude. Oh. $1,900. That's our take profit. $1,920. double check that. 1930. Puts us around 3720 maybe. Okay. Number 5. Huge 3 falling peaks. Where's that test net? I totally just had the test set somewhere. It's in the window. Damn. Huge 3 falling peaks. 3-day chart. TP of something wild. 3720. 3750. Okay. Damn. Dude, I actually have tons of them, my dude. Well, more like, I don't know, they're kind of flashcards, I guess you could say. Yeah, let's see, I got one. I got tons, dude. I got one. No, I'm totally kidding. Totally kidding, bro. I got literally just stacks all with like other different good trading ideas on them. It's like just tons of shit. Like just different ideas. Oh, I need to really go through these back again one day. Like when to enter, stuff about a parabolic star, parabolic SAR, the parabolic stop and reversal, dude. Look at volumes across all exchanges. There's actually a website that does that for you. Forgot what it's called though. It like aggregates the volume on all the exchange. Yeah. 30-minute chart. Yeah, fuck, dude. I cannot. I can't even look at all these. Just put them back behind the computer where they belong. Oh, dude. So all in all, we have a we have like we've gotten like, oh, that's hilarious. It's weird to see too, because I had to like turn the lamp on to start this. It's like weird to notice, I guess. I don't know, dude. Maybe I should get some sleep. We'll do a little recap, then I'll get some sleep. So bring this chart up on the big screen. A little exit recap for the day. All right. Possible walkers, yo daddies. Possible future scenarios, not in any order. This breaks one way or the other. Looking for low volume. I think it normally breaks. Uh, I don't know. Could go either way. So that's a neutral. Um, Left shoulder and the head formed. Possible head and shoulders, which would make us like short-term bull, long-term bear. Possible Eve. Oh, I gotta draw these, I guess. Jake. Yeah, so this could break out up or down. We'll be wrecked either way. It doesn't matter. A little head and shoulders coming maybe. This is like a week and a half to the peak of the second shoulder. It would bring us down real low. Even Eve double top or an Adam and Eve double top right here. This could maybe bounce off support or maybe even like bold trap people. Break out, come back down, also put us down bear long term. And then the new find of the night. That's not what I wanted. Was a possibility of a huge 3 falling peaks on the 3-day chart. A little hard to show you, but that put us into the high 3s. And who knows? We'll look at it again later today, tomorrow, whenever. But I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you all later. Yo, shout out to Alex for hanging out for a little bit. And thanks everyone for watching. Yo, GG's, good trades, Alex. And have a good night. Peace, guys.